Hello, my friend Fries and beautiful Ryes. Fries on Ryes here with another episode of the Fries on Ryes Let's Play series. The last time we played, we were doing some mining in our strip mines, and on the way out, we found some diamonds. After that, we tried to see if we could organize some of our things, and we decided that we are going to be making an experience farm today. The experience farm is probably going to be raising cattle. Um, so we're gonna need to see if we can get some fence motion sickness warning. We're gonna see if we can get some fences to enclose the cattle in a large area. I'm gonna see how much wood we have in our storage house. We have a lot of wood. Okay. Mm, let's see how much we can make, how much fences we can make. Oh, look, they're friends. They're just walking together. Oh my goodness. Oh, I guess they went their separate ways. No, they're just hanging out. Okay. So, we are going to make some sticks. That should be good. Four. We're almost done. Oh, whoops. And we can make, I'm pretty sure this is the, yes, the gates. Okay. Now that it's dark, we probably want to take a nap. We'll go to the field over here to try to see if there's a flattish enough spot to collect the cattle. There is a decent space. Does that skeleton drop anything? No, it doesn't appear the skeleton dropped anything. So let us begin by making our fencing for the cattle. There's already a lot of cows here, so I have all the creativity choices and I'm choosing to make a huge rectangle. Seeing as we're trapping horses in here, this is going to be a proper little ranch. I'm going to hope these animals don't want to go in the water. Oh my. Okay, we have to get that far out. I'm going to use the fact that they might not go in the water to build it like this. I really hope they don't go in the water. There we go. That's a nice pen for the cows. Oh, you know what? Even if they won't go in the water, I realized that if I breed them until they crowd the place, they will fall into the water. So I should close this off. Sorry everyone, no freedom tonight. Oh, close enough. There we go. That should be a nice enclosure. And unfortunately, I believe we used all our wheat for the villagers. Let's go and check. If only the lodestones also teleported you to different lodestones. Okay, so we'll take this with us. Or no, we'll put this back for now. I was thinking about going to the end, but okay. No, we have plenty of wheat. Let's make some chests. Now let's go breed some of those cows. This is going to be a slow experience farm. But after we do this, we're going to work on the chickens. Or maybe we can work on the chickens real fast, because it's just a redstone thing. Okay, now, while that's going on, we can go back to the cows. We'll light up the area too, and we'll feed them. Okay. Oh, hello. It's a good thing we came back for the lighting. Oh no. Oh. For a second I thought I heard phantoms. This is scary, oh my goodness. I gotta light up this area fast. Oh no. Not a skeleton. Okay. We need to eat. Where did this guy come from? Was it just the darkness? Just because it's dark? Well. Almost there. Okay, now that we have lighting here, we just need to go back and forth this way. Alright, now we can feed all our cattle. Let's gather them up. We got our sheep, we got our horse, we got our cattle. Was there only one sheep? Okay. Now they all have their fill. I didn't capture as many as I thought I would, but that is okay. Got one chest here. Oh. Let's try... Okay. For now, we could leave our food in here. We're not killing anything, so we don't have any leather or meat to put inside the chests. We'll have to come back for these. Let's go check on the chickens after we eat. And I can't really say no to arrows and bones, so let's... You know what? Maybe I can't say no. I see 2 skeletons and a zombie. I don't really feel like dealing with either of those. Okay. The llama is protecting their master. Pretty nice of them. Oh, right, the chickens. I went too far. Okay, those guys are gonna follow me into my farm. Oh my goodness, is it a zombie horde? Is that all of them? I hope so. Is there any entity cramming going on here? Not yet. How much ammo we got in here? Quite a bit. Both of these farms are going to have to take time. How are we going to get experience to fix our pickaxe? I should have done that while I was killing the zombies. Alright, just so I don't forget, let's put this up here. Alright, there we go. Now, let's take a look. I wonder if I should help. In theory, I should see them coming up. There's a limit to 24. And I don't know if it's per block or per whatever space they take up. So this is going to be tricky. I don't know if I'll even see it. Since I don't know if I'm going to find it or not, maybe I'll just leave this for a short time. Okay. Let's collect some sugar cane while we are waiting. This is going to be a decent amount of paper. And these ones in the water is why we put planks on the other side. I'm not seeing anyone turning red in there. Well, we've got quite a few eggs to launch in there. Let's see. What do we have now? We've got these. Ways to get experience. I don't really know. So we'll just collect more sugarcane for now, while we think about ways we can get experience. Okay. I'm thinking about turning some of those planks into sticks so we can get some more emeralds while we're here. Because we can get a limited amount of emeralds per day unless we... I mean, even when we add more villagers, it would be a limited number per day. We'll collect this. And we'll collect these. I want as many sugar canes as possible, not just for trading, but I want to fill that library up with books. I think that would look amazing. Eventually, I'll probably make a proper library with proper aisles and everything, but for now, this setup is acceptable. Okay. Well, we got quite a bit done today. We started 2 farms, and now we just have to wait for our farms to be ready. In the meantime, we are probably going to try to get experience. I know a fun way to get experience. There's a skeleton spawner, and I believe we saw a spider spawner somewhere else too. So we have 2 spiders. I have to remember where the other spawner is. But we should have wrote that down in one of our Fries on Ryes books. So let me get that Fries on Ryes book, see if we wrote down any of the spawner locations. I know that the skeleton spawner is in the Pale Garden Forest, so we don't have to travel very far for it. Let's see if it's in our organizer. No, we don't have it, so that's going to be something we have to think about. But we can go to the skeleton spawner and we can get ourselves a bunch of arrows and bones at the same time. And we will worry about that tomorrow, though. But for now, thank you for watching. If you enjoyed today's episode, please give us a like. If you think someone else would enjoy this episode, give us a share. And if you want to see more content like this, or if you want to support us, please give us a subscribe. Other than that, thank you so much for joining us, and have a wonderful day. Bye.